Hey everyone, welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens, and welcome to another episode of our new series, Edible Weeds. In this series, we'll be exploring the wild world of forage greens and learning how to identify, harvest, and prepare these unexpected ingredients. Today's guest star, the humble lamb's quarters, a plant you might actually be trying to pull out of your garden right now. Lamb's quarters boasts a surprisingly long history. This world traveler likely originated in Eurasia, but can be now found hitchhiking its way across the globe. Nicknamed goose feet for its distinctively shaped leaves, lamb's quarters was once a cultivated green and even played a role in ancient grain mixes. So how did this once celebrated green become a garden outlaw? Lamb's quarters thrives in disturbed soil, making it a champion weed in cultivated areas. Its rapid growth and prolific seed production making it a fierce competitor for resources, hence its unwelcome status. But for the adventurous forager, lamb quarter is readily available bounty. You'll find it popping up in gardens, wastelands, roadsides, and even fields. Look for young plants with tender leaves, typically under 12 inches tall. Now, the fun part, eating it. Lamb's quarters has a mild, slightly spinach-like flavor that shines in a variety of dishes. Young leaves can be enjoyed raw in salads, adding a delightful textural contrast. Sautéed lamb's quarters makes a fantastic substitute for spinach or Swiss chard, and the blanched leaves can be incorporated into quiches, frittatas, or even pasta dishes. The key to enjoying lamb's quarters lies in proper preparation. Older leaves can be tough and slightly bitter, so stick to the younger, more tender foliage. A quick blanch can remove any bitterness, leaving behind a pleasant, slightly earthy flavor. But lamb's quarters isn't just tasty, it's also packed with nutrients. This leafy green is a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. Lamb's quarters isn't just a culinary gem, the seeds can be ground into flour and used for baking, while the dry leaves have been historically used for medicinal purposes. So the next time you see lamb's quarter growing, don't reach for the weed killer. Consider giving this versatile and nutritious green a try. Remember, with a little knowledge and the right approach, even a common weed can become a delicious and enriching addition to your garden. If you enjoy this exploration of lamb's quarters, be sure to subscribe for more episodes of Edible Weed. We'll be uncovering the secrets of other unappreciated forage greens, so stay tuned for exciting discoveries in the wild world of edible plants. Happy foraging!